What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Nelson. Today I'm inside 2003 Toyota Camry. Let's hit it with the cold start. Camry is doing great. It's doing just fine. We have 208,000 miles on her now, so about a 10,000 mile update, and a lot has happened. Number one, we got here some interior damage. My door handle finally broke, the driver's side, because that's the one we use the most, not so much on the passenger side. Also, we've gotten to like 2 accidents with this Camry already. My mom was reversing and there was another person reversing at the exact same time, like at the Walmart, and they literally collided into each other. It totally sucked, but the end result was that everyone was just going to take care of their own car, and it was basically a dent in the back, and I was able to pull it back. Just right there where you're seeing it, that's where the dent was, and I just pulled it back by myself. I had to remove the bumper and push it by hand with the heat gun. Another accident we have is over here in the front, and man, that just totally sucks. It's like, it's like that video cursed us, but not really. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in again. Like, comment, and subscribe. We're here talking about service. We're here talking about what has broken, talking about what has happened now that I have hit over 200,000 miles. And like I said, 2 accidents, and now my radiator has blown up. That's right. So my mom was driving, and I gotta tell you, she drives a little different than I do, which is fine. Everyone drives different. And she kept complaining about a smell. There's a smell. Something's going on with my car. And I was like, oh man, hopefully the car didn't just blow up, because everyone thinks when it hits 200,000 miles, it's just gonna blow, or like 1 mile before it hits 200, it's gonna blow up. Well, that's not true. We have this Toyota Camry with 208, and I'm hoping it can go more. But she kept complaining about a smell, and by the time I finally got it into the shop to check it out, popped the hood open, checked the oil first, because I saw that valve cover leak possibly, and I was like, oh man, hopefully nothing with the oil. Checked the oil looked good. I was there already, so I decided to change the motor oil. And then I looked into her water and had no water in it, but I had to be careful because my hood prop is not working, and it literally fell on me like 4 or 5 times. But yeah, after further inspection, you could see the radiator was just covered in water, especially where it meets the metal and plastic kind of meet up. So I'm gonna have a DIY video on how to replace your radiator. Also, if you have this model Toyota 4-cylinder, there's 2 different types of radiators. I always say radio, I hate that. There's 2 different types of radiators. It depends if your model is American made or Japanese made. It's actually pretty simple to find out. You want to go to open up your driver door, and in this label right here, in one of these labels, now mine in the second portion here, it says Kentucky. So mine is a Kentucky American made vehicle. I'll give you the part number down in the description below. There's going to be a link to where you can buy the original Denso radiator, because this car has 200,000 miles. It had the original radiator from factory, so I ended up ordering a factory, did I say radiator? I ended up ordering that factory radiator, and I paid under $100 for it, which was super sweet, super awesome on Amazon. Man, they hooked it up, because I went to O'Reilly's, AutoZone, called all these guys, and even under my professional commercial account, it was over $200 for a radiator, and I was just like, whoa, that's insane. And it's true, auto parts in general, everything has just gone up. Same thing with these cars, and you can see 208 miles, and we are idling perfect, temperatures holding strong. No weird smell already, but I believe the car might still be burning a little bit of oil. I'm not 100% sure. Always at startup, I get that smoky cloud. And look, check this out. This antifreeze is $20. This is the Asian pink. This is what I took out of it. That's what I put right back into my vehicle. And I made a giant mess changing the radiator, so make sure to grab some shop towels. My microfibers work perfectly. They're linked in the description below. I want to talk about something else, guys, really quick here. I want to talk about a giveaway that I'm going to start doing For example, I changed the radiator on this Toyota Camry, and it was super awesome. It was super fun. Believe it or not, it was a super easy radiator. Oh, I guess this guy's tired of me. You're not supposed to do that, buddy. What a jerk. But I guess he didn't want to wait. I must be going slower than I thought. And that's the thing, I drive like a grandma, and my mom, she drives like a mom. She drives like a woman possessed. But you can see we're full of gas too, so thanks, Mom. I love it when I hop into a car that's full of gas. But a giveaway, for example, all my DIY videos, I'm gonna start doing giveaways, because that's the thing about cars, that's the thing about parts, that they're all worth money, even used parts. So I have a couple companies that are sending me free auto parts. That's right, woo, free auto parts. So what I'm gonna start doing is DIYs. Every time you see a DIY, that means I'm gonna be giving away money. That's right, free money, baby, woo. So I have to like, comment, and subscribe. Ooh, that guy's smoking too. So you get the like, comment, and subscribe. Once you do that, you're already entered to win whatever cash I'm giving away. For example, I did this radiator, and the radiator is worth about $10 recycled, which is not a lot of money, but what I'm gonna do is recycle it, and I'm gonna give those $10 to my viewers, to my subscribers. Also, I got free tow mirrors on the way. I got free LED tail lights on the way. So I have a bunch of parts that I'm getting for free, and what I'm gonna do with the old parts, like I said, is sell them. And those parts are worth more money, $50. I could sell my old parts for $50 because those are still working. Those are still in good order. I'll sell them on Facebook and stuff like that, and then I'll just give you guys the money. So these are the rules. 1, you have to like. 2, you have to comment. 3, you have to subscribe. So once you do those 3 things, you're already entered in to win the cash. And I'll be telling you guys the amount depending on the value of the parts. For example, I'm getting some LED tail lights. They're worth about, I don't know, $150. So I'm gonna remove my old tail lights, and those are worth about maybe $50 to $60. So I'll sell those parts for $60, and then I'll be putting the money into an app. I'm gonna get a Cash App or some kind of app to transfer money to my viewers, or I could send you maybe like an Amazon gift card, something like that. I'll just send it to you, you know. I want to try and just give you guys straight cash. That way you guys can decide what to do with it. And you can comment as much times as you want. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick a random comment at 100% random. I'm not going to look at the comments on that DIY. You're going to have 2 days to comment all you want. So you can comment 20 times. And if you're 1 through 20 and I pick 15, then you're the winner. And you will win cash, baby. Woo! So I'm gonna be starting to do DIYs, and you know, check out all my links and stuff like that. But I'll tell you this, that I'm a little bit behind. I'm behind at work right now. I'm working 12-15 hours every single day, Monday through Saturday. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm driving to work, and I'm super behind at work. I'm behind on our online, on our marketing. I'm behind on my YouTube. I'm behind on my car details. I'm behind on mechanical. I'm behind on everything right now, but it don't matter. I'm not gonna worry. I'm not gonna stress out, because there's plenty of work. Especially right now, there's plenty of things to do, and as long as I have things to do, then I got no problem. But tell me what you guys think about my idea. I just want to give back a little bit to you guys. I had some people that wanted to donate to me, and I was like, no man, no way. I don't want you guys to donate nothing to me unless maybe I get the donation and then give it right back to you guys. Because the thing is, I want YouTube to pay me, I want Amazon to pay me, I want all these big companies giving me money. I don't want you guys giving me money. You guys work hard for your cash. These guys over here are big corporation, whatever they are, you know, they're huge companies, and they should be paying me, not you guys. But I might start something like that too. I'm not 100% sure. I do want to talk to some of my subscribers that have accounts, that have YouTube accounts, that you guys have hit 1,000 subscribers or 500 subscribers. Guys, start your Amazon affiliate marketing. I have started mine. I started mine at 500 subscribers, because that's when you hit influencer. When you hit influencer, guys, you can start selling on Amazon, and that's what I have started doing. I've started selling on Amazon with my links, and I've already made over $30 in less than a month selling on Amazon. It's not a lot of money, but it's money in my pocket that I can use for my family. I can invest into my cars. I can just grab that money and start investing it into myself. So I'm talking to Ready Set Element, someone else, SK Lifestyle, you know, because I was shopping for the radiator for my mom's car, and it's $100 for the radiator. And if I buy it through one of my friend's links to Amazon, basically I click on the link and that link directs me to Amazon. Then I type in the radiator that I want. I forgot the part number. And what happens is when I do that and I purchase that radiator through someone's link, they get paid because they directed me to Amazon to purchase that radiator. So it doesn't matter if they were selling makeup and I bought a radiator, they get paid. It doesn't matter if it was the opposite. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna put the link for my radiator, so if you guys want to support the channel, like and comment. And the thing is that you guys are gonna buy stuff on Amazon anyway, and it doesn't cost you any more money to click on my link and buy it from me. So if you guys are into Amazon, you guys buy a lot of stuff on Amazon, click on my links, guys. It's gonna help me out. And to the YouTuber guys right now that are doing it, that are busting their butt, because this is not easy, set up your links and I will buy from you, because I want to buy from you guys, because I want to help you guys out too and support your channel as well. You know, we got to support each other. That's the video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. And I'm so sorry, because I was trying to post videos every day, but dude, you have no idea, I've already forgot to hit record twice. And I'm not sure if it's my GoPro that's messing up or it's just me. Like I said, I'm really behind and kind of stressed out, but I'm working hard, so ain't no biggie to me. I'm just gonna do it the next day and do it the next day and do it every single day. Thanks, guys. Love you. I'm out.